Hello my friends, welcome to Instant Talk Electronic channel. This is Uncle Misha. Today we have something old on my bench. So this is Video 8 or 8mm videotape cassette rewinder. So I don't know when and where I acquired this thing. I just noticed after, if you remember one of my video about the Sony Video8 camera, I got someone donated to me, and those two cassettes were there. So I spent some time rewinding them using that camera. So I thought this will be more appropriate way of rewinding tapes without using cassette or video camera tape mechanism. So this dude apparently can rewind both ways. It has a counter, it has all these mechanical thingies which probably have to be kept clean, so I'm not sure. I have to probably try to clean this stuff up with something before I start using it. It has a little mirrory thingy to probably judge how much tape is left on what side, things like that. Unfortunately it's not battery powered. I need to have a center positive 6 volt. So we're gonna just attach center positive 6 volt here, okay, and see if this even works. I don't have no idea. Using my power supply, and let's do it. Warning: secure cassette been secured in yellow hook before the operation. It does work. Only pretty snappy. Now it rewinds in another location, in different direction, I meant to say. Okay, so let me clean this all up just to make sure it's not gonna introduce any dirt into the cassettes, and let's just try rewinding. Alrighty, I clean up some dust, and let's take this cassette and what does it say? How the heck I supposed to make sure it's secure? Okay, guess like this. Yes. I'm gonna keep it open. Let's do, guess, fast forward. Woohoo! Look at this go! But not sure if it's faster or any faster than a actually a recorder. And counter is going. It's nice. And apparently it has auto stop. I don't know how, but it has auto stop. So it took roughly 4 minutes. I'll give you exact number when I review the tape. And now how do I freaking eject this thing? Just yank it or something? Yeah, just yank it. Okay, it didn't rip the tape off, as far as I understand. Let me try this again. Yeah, tape is still here, obviously. Okay, so yeah, it took roughly 4 minutes to actually rewind this tape. Obviously, theoretically I can crank it up the voltage and it's gonna go faster. I'm not sure how deteriorating the motor gonna be. So there is also interesting contraption here. So when there is a tape going through here, it's actually goes by this thing. I'm curious, maybe this is to erase the tape. So was it like a permanent magnet you can just insert here, it's gonna erase the tape? Very interesting. I would like to know what it's supposed to be, because that's like a little hole there. I thought like a seat here, not a hole. I thought it's gonna be electrical. You press the button, it's gonna erase, but looks like it's just something that needed to be inserted here. I'm curious to see. Or I can actually put erase head of some sort right in here, which is gonna come into contact with the tape and essentially erase the tape, because sometimes you need to erase those tapes. That's gonna be very interesting contraption to have. A rewinder and eraser. I'm just wondering, should I just take a look what's inside? Yeah, let's do it. How many screws do we have to unscrew? Any screws at all? Looks like those are just snaps. No screws. Yep. Yeah, those are not screw holes. Those are just... oh, crazy. Let me see something here. Yeah, clearly those are just snaps, so it's fairly straightforward and simplistic mechanism right here. Yeah, I'm not sure if I want to take it apart, because sometimes those snaps break when you are too persuasive. Nah, doesn't want to cooperate. I don't think there is anything to see here. It's going to be just this is mechanical switch, which just switches direction. This is start and stop button, which actually has a electrical contact. Okay. Let me power up. You see? It's all engaged mechanically. I don't think there is any like solenoids or anything like that. Just when something rotating, it just kicking the mechanism and pull those things. Yeah. And this is spring loaded, so we're not gonna be taking this thing apart, because it'll be so much easier and it'll be just screws, not those stupid snaps, and there are like 5 of them. So yeah, definitely handy. So now I have to actually take this tape and rewind it back all the way to the beginning. Now it's gonna be another 4 minutes, but we're not gonna be waiting, because there is nothing else to talk about this thing. Definitely handy piece of kit, definitely cool to see this thing operational. And if you are interested to see more old videos about old stuff and old equipment, old gear, teardowns and projects, please subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, stay tuned, and ciao!